Hi, my name is Christopher Hebert. I'm a professor of psychology in the Department of Psychology at the University of Windsor. And the question that I have been asked today is, what is actually happening in our brains when we picture a person or a thing? So, when we conjure a mental image in our minds, our brain behaves in a way that is very similar to the way it would behave if we were actually seeing that object or that person. So if I had you close your eyes and visualize your childhood home as if you were standing on the street and looking at it, there were many things that would be occurring in your brain while you did that. There would be a great amount of sensory information that's activated related to your home, such as the sights, the sounds, the smells of your home, as well as memories for events that happened in your home and the emotional feelings that it gave you at that time. But if you're focused on picturing your home, mainly the visual images would be most activated, and they would be processed in a way that is similar to the way that they would if you were actually standing on the street looking at your home. So to begin, what would happen is, if I asked you to do that, regions in your frontal lobe would become active, searching for memories of your childhood home. Then these memories would become activated in parts in the back of your brain called the occipital lobe. This is where visual information is processed initially. From that point, there would be activation probably spreading to other regions of your brain, including up into the parietal lobe and down into the temporal lobes, helping to create larger, more complex memories of your childhood home. It's in these regions in the parietal and temporal lobes where there is what we call association cortex, and it's the association cortex that gives rise to the most complex representations of our world. So here, the visual information gets combined with other sensory information to form cohesive, complex memories of your childhood home. So it's at that point, when all this information comes together in these association cortices, that you fully image and recognize your childhood home in your mind's eye. And that's how it works in a nutshell.